Namaste, good evening. We'll start with sitting in Sukhasana, Namaskara Mudra, eyes gently closed, deep inhale, long exhale, keep straightening the back, breathe in, breathe out. One more time, inhale and exhale. Patanjali Namana. योगेन चित्तस्य पदेन वाचां मलं शरीरस्य च वैद्यकेन योपाकरोत्तं प्रवरं मुनीनां पतञ्जलिं प्राञ्जलिरानतोऽस्मि. Chin Mudra. Just watch your breath. Keep the eyes closed. Keep your back straight. And slowly inhale. And as you exhale, open your eyes. Inhale, both hands up. Exhale, twisting to the right side. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Keep going, breathe in. Breathe out, turn to the right. Breathe in, breathe out, turn to the left. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Last round, breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Inhale, hands up. Exhale, release. We'll come on the mat. Shashankasana. Push your hips back. Stretch your hands out, forehead to the ground. Keep pulling the arms forward. All the way in front. Now inhale to Urdhva Mukha. Let the toes be turned out. Lift the chest up. Press the hips as much as possible. Gently keep lifting the chest up. Tuck your toes in and Adho Mukha. Try to straighten the legs without forcing too much as possible. Spread the fingers, palms on the mat. Again, Urdhva Mukha, Adho Mukha, Urdhva Mukha, Adho Mukha, Urdhva Mukha, Adho Mukha. 3 more times. Urdhva Mukha, Adho Mukha. Last 2 rounds. Urdhva Mukha, Adho Mukha. Last round. Urdhva Mukha, Adho Mukha. Now from here, press the heels firmly. Inhale, get the right foot outside the right hand. Left knee down. Look up. And exhale back to Adho Mukha. Same thing, left leg, left foot outside the left hand. Inhale, look up, exhale, back to Adho Mukha. 2 more rounds on each side. Inhale, right leg. Exhale, Adho Mukha. Inhale, left leg. Push the hip forward and chest up. Exhale, Adho Mukha. Last round, right and left. Inhale, right leg. Now take your left arm parallel to the mat. Left elbow down and twisting up. Hold it there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Both hands down. Adho Mukha. Inhale, left leg forward. And get your right elbow down. Left hand up. Hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go back to Adho Mukha. Hold it in Adho Mukha. Keep breathing. Hold the Adho Mukha. 10, 9. Keep holding Adho Mukha. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Bring the right foot in the center. Turn to the side. Toes in, heels out. And from there, tighten your legs and let's stand up. Inhale, take the right hand up. Turn towards your left side. And slowly stretching forward, right hand on the ground near the foot or in front of the foot. Left hand up to the ceiling. Tighten both the legs and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, inhale, come up. Tighten both the legs, hands on the hips. Left hand up, inhale. Turn to your right side. Exhale, getting the left hand down. Right hand up. Pull the right hand in line with the shoulder. Tighten the legs, twist to the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hands down. Slowly bring your feet a little closer. And from there, windmill, right, left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale, come up, stretch your hands to the side, take the hands behind you, interlock the fingers, pulling backwards. Inhale, chest open and up. Exhale, forward bend. Head down as much as possible, hands over the head. Again, inhale, backward bend. Exhale, forward bend. Inhale, backward bend. Exhale, forward bend. 2 more times. Inhale, backward bend. Exhale, forward bend. Last round. Inhale, back bend. Take 2 long breaths over there. Open the chest nicely. And exhale, forward bend. Tighten your legs. Pull the hands as much as possible. Straighten the elbows, head down. Now twist your hands to the right side, twisting the body towards the left leg. Inhale, center. Exhale, twisting to the left side. Look up at the ceiling. And come back center. Inhale up and release. Bring your feet little closer, hip distance apart. Left hand on the left thigh, right hand near the ear. Inhale. Exhale, bend over to the left side, keeping the right hand straight. And pull the left shoulder forward, right shoulder back. You can look up at your fingers or just look at the side, head back. Again. Inhale, left hand up, right hand touching the thigh, bend over to the right side. Keep straightening left hand behind the head. Look at the ceiling or at your fingers, head back. Again, inhale, right hand up, bend over to the left. Don't turn the hips. Keep the hips facing the front. Inhale, left hand up. Bend over to the side. Right side. Keep pushing the right shoulder forward. Again, inhale, last round. Right hand up. Bend over to the left side. Keep reaching the fingertips towards the ankle. Stay there. Press the right heel firmly. Inhale, come back center. Left hand up, bend over to the right side. Keep straightening the left arm. Press the left heel, tighten both the legs, head back. Inhale, come back center. Release. Now, hands on your shoulders, elbows open. We'll do backward circles first. Bring the elbows together. Inhale, exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse. Inhale and exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly release the hands. Bring your feet slightly closer together. Pushing the knees forward and back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now from here, both knees, you open it outwards and circle inwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly release, stand up. Last one. Get your feet together. Inhale, both hands up. Interlock the fingers and push the hands up towards the ceiling. Shoulders pulling up to the ears. Lock the elbows. Gently drop your head back, not too much. Gaze up at the ceiling, or if you can, at your palms. Tighten your legs. Pull the buttocks in. Pull your stomach in. Keep lifting up from the side of the body and hold it. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly release the hands. Loosen the legs. Mukhadoti. 3-4 times. Breathe in and breathe out. Bending forward. Exhale from the mouth. Fully breathe out. 3-4 times. Inhale and exhale. Breathe in, breathe out, and relax the breath. Let's start Surya Namaskara. Front of your mats, feet together. Hands beside the thighs. Nicely straighten the body. Press the toes and ankles together. Shoulders rolled back, relaxed. Eyes gently closing. Keep your chin parallel to the ground. Chest open. Take one deep inhale. Slow exhale. Feel all the 4 corners of the feet. Lengthen the body. Hands in Namaskara Mudra. Elbows parallel to the ground. Chest and back open. Hiranmayena patrena satyasya pihitam mukham Tattvam Pushanna Varano Satya Dharmaya Drishtaye Om Mitraya Namaha. Inhale, exhale. exhale, inhale, right leg all the way back, exhale, Dvipada, Ashtanga Namaskara, Urdhva Mukha, Adho Mukha, right leg forward, Uttanasana, Namaskara Sthiti. Tighten your legs back straight. Om Ravaye Namaha. Gentle back bend, don't stress the body right away. Exhale, try to drop your head as much as you can. Inhale, left leg all the way back. Look up, push the hip forward. Exhale, Dvipada, Ashtanga Namaskara, Urdhva Mukha, Adho Mukha. Press the heels, push the hips back. Inhale, left leg forward. Exhale, Uttanasana, Namaskara Sthiti. Om Suryaya Namaha. 1. Nicely bend back, tighten the legs, push the hips forward. Try to pull the hands back, keeping the elbows straight. 2. Exhale, head down, legs fully tight, buttocks moving up to the ceiling. Press the palms. Inhale, right leg back. Exhale, Dvipada. Legs together, ankles almost touching, body in a straight line. Ashtanga Namaskara, stomach will not touch the mat. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Feet close to each other, tighten the legs, press the hips down, open the chest up. Number 7, Adho Mukha. Press the heels, straighten the arms and legs. Try to bring the top of the head towards the mat. Inhale, right leg forward in the center. Push the hip towards your leg and chest moving up and open. Exhale again, Uttanasana, head down fully. Namaskara Sthiti. Om Bhanave Namaha. 1, 2, 3. Om Shri Savitra Surya Narayanaya Namaha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Slowly inhale and exhale, Mukhadoti. 2-3 breaths. Stay in the front of your mat. Just 5 rounds. Inhale, Tadasana. Uttanasana, all the way down. Tadasana. Uttanasana. Tadasana. Utkatasana, chair pose, push the hips back, press the knees and thighs together, chest up, palms together. Uttanasana. Tadasana. Utkatasana. Uttanasana. Tadasana. Utkatasana. Uttanasana. Chaturanga Dandasana. Urdhva Mukha. Adho Mukha. Chaturanga Dandasana. Urdhva Mukha. Adho Mukha. Chaturanga Dandasana. Urdhva Mukha. Adho-mukha. Right foot in the center, Ekapada, Adho-mukha. Left foot in the center, Ekapada, Adho-mukha, Urdhva-mukha, Adho-mukha, Urdhva-mukha, Adho-mukha, Urdhva-mukha, Adho-mukha, Uttanasana, Utkatasana, Tadasana, and release. Again Mukhadoti, 3-4 times, inhale, exhale, and let us take the chair. Take the chair or your stool, or if you are near a table, you can stand near the table also. Keep the chair facing you. Stand about 1 foot distance from the chair. Feet slightly apart. Ardha Uttanasana. Going to inhale, tuck your hips in, pull the arms up, stretch the sides of the body. On the exhale, bend your knees slightly. Put your fingertips on the back of the chair. Keep head up. Keep looking between the hands and slowly straighten your legs. Push the hips back. Keep pulling the fingertips forward. Don't drop the back like this. Chest away from the ground. Open up the upper back. Keep looking between the fingers over the top of the chair. Tighten your legs. Push the hips back. Pull your stomach in. Keep breathing. Stay there. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and from there, don't change the position, just take your hands on the seat of the chair, place your palms on the seat of the chair, keep looking between the fingers, head up, again back flat, open up the upper back, tighten the legs, rotate the thighs inwards, push the hips back, press the feet properly and stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Staying in the same position. Now slowly drop your head. Don't tuck your chin in. Pushing the head forward. Try to drop the head like Adho Mukha between the hands down towards the ground. But pushing the top of the head forward. Back is still flat. Legs are tight. Arms are fully stretched out on the seat of the chair. Feel your lower back. Keep pulling the stomach in as you exhale. Another 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. From there, take your hands towards the front legs of the chair and don't bend your knees. Hold on to the front legs of the chair, pushing your head again towards the ground or the mat. Tighten your legs, gently holding the side of the side legs of the chair. Fingertips are open, you are not fully holding it. Keep pushing your head forward, tighten the legs, push the hips back, back is flat. Last 10, 9, keep pulling your stomach in and breathing. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly inhale, hands up and come up. Shake the legs, relax the back. Now you stand like this the chair on your right side and take right leg, right foot like this open to the side. Your right knee is facing the side, hip is open. You're going to hold your hand on the inside of the right knee. Slowly tighten the left leg, push the left hip backwards, pull the right hip forward. Inhale, take the left hand straight up behind the ear. Keep looking in front. Pull your left fingers open towards the ceiling. Press the right foot nicely on the chair. Feel that right hip opening up, right thigh opening up. Your right hand is here. All you're doing is standing in this position. Tuck your hip in. Keep tightening the left hip. Left leg, pushing the left hip back. Opening up the right hip and stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Slowly release the right leg. You can just turn around or take the chair to the other side. Right foot 1 foot distance from the chair. Left leg on top of the chair. Again with your left hand open up the hip nicely. Let both the hips be in the same straight line. Right hip moving back. Inhale, take your right hand up towards the ceiling behind the ear. Keep your chin parallel to the ground. Both hips in the same straight line. Keep reaching up and hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Release. Legs down, again relax. Now stand, again 1 foot distance from the chair. If the chair is not too high, you can take it at the top of the back of the chair. If it is a little higher, you can just keep it here on the seat. Those of you who can, take your right leg up, place it on the back of the chair. Push the right hip down, tighten both the legs, right toes facing the ceiling. All you have to do is inhale, stretch the hands from the side, push the elbows back, interlock the fingers, press the left foot tightly, tighten up the left leg, pull the palms up to the ceiling, keep looking in front, elbows by your side, tightening up, pull the shoulders up, keep the hips, right hip down, left hip open, and keep your balance, keep breathing, stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now slowly release your fingers. Stretch the fingers up one more time. Without rounding your back, just bend forward. Keep your palm on the back of the chair. Keep the chin up. Flatten your back. Try to bring your navel towards the thigh. Push the right hip back. Keep looking over your toes. Flatten the back. Open the chest and stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Slowly bend your right knee and take it from the chair down. Just relax the legs, shake it out. Same thing other side. Inhale, take the left heel or the left ankle back of the chair. Now push the left hip down, slowly tighten the right leg. Toes up, pointing to the ceiling. Inhale, stretching the arms from the side, interlock both the hands, the fingers. Pull the elbows up to the ceiling. Tighten the elbows, keep your shoulders near the ears. Completely tighten the right leg, tucking your buttocks in. Push the right left hip down, keep looking in front. Pull your stomach in, keep breathing and stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. From there, release the fingers, pull the fingers up once more, inhale. On the exhale, don't round your chin in, bending forward, keeping the spine flat and straight, back flat, spine straight. Put your wrist or fingers or palm on the back of the chair, legs remain tight. Keep pushing the left hip back, try to bring your navel to your thigh. Open up the chest and back, keep looking in front, head up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly bend your left leg and bring it up. Once more, relax the legs. Again, standing in the same position, take the right leg up again on the top of the chair. Push the right hip down. Now inhale and only take the left hand straight up next to your ear. Stretch the left side of the body. On the exhale, slowly bend forward. If you can, hold your big toe. Otherwise, hold the back of the chair or even your ankle. Wherever you are comfortable to hold it. And from there, lift the chest up, straighten the back, slowly turn to your right side. Take the right hand behind you, keep your balance and keep looking at your right thumb. Keep lifting the chest up and to the side. Stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Slowly release. Bend the right knee, bring it down. Same way, take the left leg up, left heel or left ankle on the back of the chair, push the left hip down. Inhale, take the right hand up near your ear. Stretch the side of the body. On the exhale, keeping the spine straight, bend forward, hold the chair or your toe or the ankle and lift the back and chest up. Twisting to the left side this time. Take the left hand behind you, try to look at your left thumb and hold it there. 1, 2, 3, keep the left hip down, don't let it lift up. 4, 5, arm up in line with the shoulder. 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Slowly bend the left knee and bring it down. Same position, one more, same thing, little easier. Come little closer to the chair. Again, take your right leg in the top of the seat of the chair. Inhale, left hand up. Make a fist with the left hand. Put the left elbow outside the left knee as much as possible. Straighten the back, holding the fist tight. And this time you're more stable. Take the right hand behind you. Open up the chest nicely to the side. Look behind you. Press the right foot and turn to the right side all the way back. Keep that arm really tight. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Slowly bring the right leg down. Left leg goes up. Straighten the back. Tighten the right leg. Inhale, right hand up near the ear. Stretch it up all the way. Make a fist with the right hand. Take the right elbow outside the left knee. Nicely, using that as an anchor. Twist your body to the left side. And when you're stable, pull the left hand behind you. Turn the shoulders nicely. Chest open to the side. Twisting from your waist. Look back at the left thumb. Keep the spine straight, hold it. 1, keep tightening the right leg. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Slowly release. Again, keep the chair to the right side. This time you are standing sideways from the chair, about half a foot distance. Inhale, straighten the back. On the exhale, take the right heel again sideways. Right foot is perpendicular to the back of the chair. Toes are facing the ceiling. Straighten your body. Just keep your hand on the knee first. On the right knee, take the left hand straight up. Hold it there. Keep pushing the left hip back. Turning the right hip in. Pull the left hand up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and slowly bring the left hand down on the left hip. Slide your right hand towards the ankle. Hold the ankle or your big toe, whichever is comfortable for you. Open the chest, push the left shoulder back, pull the right shoulder forward, straighten the right arm. Don't have to drop your head. All you have to do is take the left hand behind your ear, just straighten it up there. Don't bend too much, don't try to hold the foot. Just open the left hip, bending to the side. Now see if you can bend the right elbow to touch the right knee. Take it on the inside and slowly drop your hand down on the chair. Keep the left arm straight. Hold it there. 1, 2, keep opening the chest up. Push the left shoulder back. 3, 4, toes facing the ceiling. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Slowly bend the right leg. Release. Turn around or keep the chair to your left side. Stand 1 foot from the chair. Inhale and take the left heel up on the chair. Push the right hip back. Keep the hand just below the knee. Straighten the body up. Open up to the side. Left toes facing the ceiling. Inhale, stretch the right hand straight up. Pull from the right hip all the way up. Keep your chin parallel to the ground. Lengthen the left side of the body as well and hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Same position. Slide your hand towards the ankle or your big toe. Keep the body open to the side. Straighten the left arm. Straighten the right arm. Take it behind the right ear. Bend slightly to the side, keeping the left arm straight first. Straighten the right arm. Now slowly bend your left elbow on the inside of the left knee and reach down to the chair. That's all you have to do. Keep the right hip moving backwards, left hip moving forward. Keep the right arm straight, head back. Bend over to the side with your hand on the chair. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Slowly release. Relax the legs. Sit down there in front of your chair. Take both legs outside the chair like this in a V shape. Sit. Don't touch the chair. Sit about half a foot away from the chair. Inhale, both hands up. Try to reach forward. Keep your fingertips on the back of the chair. Straighten the arms. Toes facing up, pointing outwards. Pull your spine up. Keep your arms on the chair. Keep the back straight. Keep pulling forward and up. Hold it there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Slowly release. Now bend your right knee, Janu Sirsasana. Take the left leg towards the back of the left leg of the chair. Bend your right knee. Take the left hand up. Inhale. Hold your left foot or the left ankle or the leg of the chair if you can reach. Right hand on the right knee. Twist nicely to the right side. From here, if you can, bend your left elbow down. Drop the back of your head on the chair. Inhale, take the right hand up and try to hold the top of the chair if it has a back. Otherwise, just stretch the hand behind your head. Keep twisting your body to the right. Just have to hold it there. 1. Keep pressing the right knee down. 2, 3, 4. Keep looking at the ceiling, back of the head on the chair. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Slowly release. Take out your left leg. Take the right leg to the right back leg of the chair. Bend your left knee. Left knee bent on the ground. From here again. Inhale, right hand up. Take it under the seat of the chair. Hold your right foot or the back of the right leg of the chair. Left hand on the hip. Twist your body nicely to the left side. Inhale, take the left hand straight up. Try to drop the back of the head on the chair. Bend your elbow down, holding the right foot on the back of the chair. Left hand goes to the top of the back seat. Twist your head under the arm, straighten the back, open the chest, tighten the right leg, keep breathing and hold. Each time you exhale, twist the chest a little bit more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Slowly release the left leg. Take both the legs to the back leg of the chair. Hold it there. Inhale, hands up. On the exhale, reach forward. Drop your chin or your forehead on the chair. Stretch the hands out on the seat. Close your eyes. Press the feet against the back legs of the chair and stay there. Eyes closed. Keep pulling your fingertips forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Stay in the same position. Now twisting to the side. Inhale, both hands up. On the exhale, just twist towards the back. Left hand outside the right knee, right hand behind you and stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale. Twisting to the other side, right hand outside the right knee, left hand behind you. Pull the left shoulder back, both shoulders in the same straight line. Look over your left shoulder. Keep the back straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Slowly release. Inhale, both hands up. exhale, release. You move the chair there only. Bring your legs out. Shake the legs up. We sit for pranayama. Sit comfortably. Back straight. Sukhasana, Vajrasana, any comfortable position. Eyes closed. Namaskara Mudra. Deep inhale, slow exhale. One more time, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. We go with 5 Om chants. Inhale. Continue 4 more rounds. Inhale.